All right, it's been a while. What we have here is a temperature control unit. There's a PID, and there's also something else inside of it that helps manage the temperature, the electricity flow. And what this doodad does, and y'all have to excuse my mess. I'm kind of a messy guy, especially casting and whatnot. Um, there's a wire running right there, comes out the front, and that is a thermocouple. It runs in to the molten lead and goes back here, sends the temperature, which the temperature readout is up here. That's PV for pot value, and then stated value. I guess it's pot value. It may not be. Stated value is 800. So see, I've got it set for 800. Is on off switch. And I'll see if I can show y'all the backside. On the backside, we've got a couple fuses. We've got the plug that the Lee pot is plugged into, and then we've got the power cord right here that's running back down to the extension cord. This little doodad is a major improvement to one of these Lee pots, because as you know, there's a rheostat on it, and anyone that's casted for any amount of time knows that gradually as the pot level drops, what you have to do is adjust the temperature, or adjust the rheostat downward. Otherwise, you'll look down in the pot and you'll see that it's glowing red, as the alloy level in the pot dwindles. But I got this from Corky Stock. You can find him in the Everything Reloading group on MeWe. We've got a pretty good series of groups going on between a lot of bullet casting stuff on MeWe. That's where we're spread out at now. Facebook is pretty well done for. There's still some reloading groups on Facebook, and I'm still an admin in some of them, but I'm deactivated at this time. About had a belly full with them. So, but this little unit is it works. As you can see, little red light flashing. That's the electricity cycling. I don't know. I'll be quiet for a minute and see if you can hear it. You can probably hear it. Anyway, um, as you see there, it cycles on and off. It stays right around 800 if you set it for 800. And the way to adjust this is you got the AT key. You press that key and move over to, now I knocked it down and press set. And I don't know if you can hear or not, but it's not cycling anymore. And the red light's not flashing. It won't start cycling again until the pot temperature drops to around 700 degrees. And then the element in the furnace will turn on and off at a whim. And I just leave my rheostat turned all the way up to the maximum level. I guess if you wanted to get technical about it, you could take and straight wire the rheostat. That's what's so neat about this thing. Corky is going to be selling these things. I got this from him. So you'll have to talk with him about what cost there is in it, but he's been ordering parts and assembling these things like crazy. So it's a pretty neat little unit. You pull it out of the box, and there's a power cord provided with it. The unit itself, the thermocouple which has quite a lengthy wire. You can put this thing a distance from where your pot is if you wish. And I think he's providing these. This is for those of you that cast with molds that are drilled for an orifice to check temperature. That's what that's for. You can put that in the orifice of the mold and keep track of what the mold temperature is and regulate the pot temperature like that. Seems like it might be an okay idea. I personally I couldn't deal with a wire attached to one of my molds. So I'd love to give you guys a casting video of this in operation. I can't find my my phone mount to run video for this. So here we go. Yeah, the unit works. It's the pot temperature is gradually dropping, and the element will cut back on when it's done. I hope you guys had a good weekend. If you find this video informative, even with my moving around with the camera and all that, you know, I'm not a professional or anything. If you find it informative, if you maybe you find some other content on the channel informative, go ahead, like and subscribe. Share the video if you think it's of value. And don't be making fun of none of this messy garbage on my porch, because, you know, I operate in a lot of different ways. It's single dad life. So, anyway, tomorrow's Monday, so make y'all a little sore about that. Catch you later, guys.